Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, this is Melody. Today I'm going to do my grocery haul. So here are a few things. Now this is cilantro leaves and I pick them and cut them, so I keep it like this. Just clean them and take out all the twigs. So these are cilantro leaves. I'm going to wash it and chop it up and then blend it and keep it. That's way they stay good for a while. So the cilantro. And now show you one by one. These are the greens, so the greens, these are bok choy. So these now that's my onion. I usually get red or yellow or white, whatever is on sale. So I got this one this time. Now I have these potatoes. They're just regular potatoes. This is the russet potatoes. I have this garlic. I always get garlic. Something we need it all the time. And ginger. For ginger I always take the organic because the organic ginger lasts longer, and organic ginger dries up, doesn't get rotten, but the other kind gets rotten. And if you make tea with organic ginger, it stays good for 2 days. So I like the organic ginger. And that's the garlic. Cabbage, I always get a lot of it because I eat this on a daily basis. The cabbages are the greatest for your stomach and they truly heal your stomach. So cabbages are really good. And I have a lot of recipes on cabbage, and it's very basic, very simple, but very tasty. If you start eating the cabbages daily, you will love it. Have pumpkins are really great. And like during Halloween time, you can get a whole big one after the Halloween for very cheap price. Right now they're a little bit expensive, so I got these, and they are really tasty. When I cook it or make a video on this, I have some videos on my channel on pumpkin, and pumpkins are really awesome. Bitter melon, which I eat a lot because this is really something really good. And it's very simple. You just chop off this front and the back, and then you cut in little pieces. You can take out the like adult seeds for growing. The adult seeds look a little darker, but you can chop up and eat the soft seeds because the inside, the seeds and everything is great for cleaning your stomach. It's like works like a broom and gets rid of parasites and stuff. So yeah, these are really good. They're good for keeping the blood pressure, blood sugar, all that stuff in check, and they lowers actually blood sugar. So yeah, this is really good. Cumin, I get a big one because this is like, what is this? Oh, that's 4 pounds. Because the reason I get 4 pounds because if you get big, and then you have to pay little less. So, and I use a lot. So cumin is really good. You can put it on all your vegetables while cooking. You can roast it and put it. Also, you can make tea and drinking. It's really good for you. So get that cumin. And I got this one. I use this to put with my greens and eat it. Boil them and put the greens and eat it. This one is hot rice, and this is like cereal, but this is cereal without any sugar, and I usually get the one without salt. So you have to read them, make sure they don't have any salt. Some of them has too much salt. So this one, a lot of people buy this and they eat it with almond milk or coconut milk, or just like that as a snack or your breakfast. And you can eat this one, just take this one and add some cucumber, add little chopped pieces of red onion, and add some boiled potatoes, and then you can add some soaked or sprouted mung beans or red beans, and they taste really awesome that way. And it's all natural and makes a great breakfast or lunch or dinner. So this is called puff rice, and look for the one without salt. This is called poha thin, and there's two kinds available, poha thin and poha thick. And poha is flattened rice, so this is rice, they flatten it out. So you can get the thick one or the thin one, and the difference is the thick one is a little bit more expensive than thin one. So I look for the bigger and then the cheaper. So this is a little cheaper. I got this one, and this also, what you do is you wash it. I'll make it and show how to do it. So you wash it, and then you make a lot of vegetables and your greens and add to it and saute like 5 minutes and you're done. So you do onion, lots of vegetable, and then add this one, and they make a nice breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever. So this is poha. This is whole black pepper. And these are some of my spices, boxed up spices. This is called Dilli Nihari. It's one kind. What I do is look for here is real ingredient and no MSG. So that's one thing I look for, no MSG and must have real ingredients. So I got achar ghost, paya, and two the paya and Dilli Nihari. I usually get a lot of this achar ghost. So these you can add it with in any vegetable, like a teaspoon, and then your salt, turmeric, cumin. So that's what it is. This ground flour you can use to cook, and also ground flour you can use, I use it for beauty purposes too. This is ground flour, is the chickpea flour, and you can make roti bread out of it too. You can mix it with other flour like ragi flour and other flour. So that's the ground flour. And this is the mung bean. This is the splitted yellow one, and I cook this one too. And these any kind of beans, they are loaded with protein, so you can make them with your vegetable, and that's substitute for any meat because they're very healthy protein. So that's my garam masala. I get a big one and then I just pour it in a container and keep it. So that's the garam masala. And that's turmeric. breakfast, and what I do is soak them overnight, and then next day drain the water out, wash it few times, and then put it inside a cloth bag and hang it in the kitchen and sprout them. And then once they're sprouted, and then wash them and saute them and eat it for the breakfast. So they make really good breakfast. That's the whole noodles. Okay, these are some of my snacks. Sometimes this is just peanut butter crackers, and this is kind of like some peanuts and cornflakes and puff rice and chickpea flour sticks or mix. So this is a snack. And this is a snack which is with all kinds of lentils, like green peas and chickpea and peanuts, and this is chickpea flour sticks. So these are the snacks once in a while. So that's for a small haul. If you like it, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you many more. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.